If you eat 4 plums every day for a month, amazing things will happen to your body. A plum is a fruit from the Bruno genus and is one of the first domesticated fruits in history. The fruit has a rich nutritional profile and has been commonly used as a constipation remedy for centuries. A single plum has just as many antioxidants as a handful of berries, while the fruit also contains vitamins B2, B3, B6, C, and K, iron, calcium, and potassium. Please subscribe and watch this video until the end to know the complete information. This is what will happen to your body if you eat 4 plums every day. 1. Improves the health of your heart. Rich in antioxidants, plum improves and maintains the health of your heart. The antioxidant fights the free radicals, preventing heart diseases and stroke. 2. Relieves constipation. Plums contain quercetin and sorbitol, which help relieve constipation and improve digestion. It also keeps the bowel healthy. You can have plums or dried plums, which are known as prunes, to get relief from constipation and other digestive issues. 3. Protects against cancer. The reddish-blue color of the skin of the plum is due to the pigment anthocyanins, which also fights free radicals. Plum also protects against breast cancer, cavity and oral cancer. 4. Improves circulation of blood. Plums improve the body's ability to absorb iron. The fruit also contains iron, which is required for the protection of blood cells. Eating plums will improve the circulation of blood. 5. They will clean and purify your skin. Consuming plum firms your skin and clears your skin texture. The fruit reduces wrinkles and rejuvenates your skin. Drink plum juice for younger looking skin. 6. Good for your bones. According to several studies, consuming plums improves bone health. Plums contain boron, which is important for preservation of bone density and maintaining bone health. The fruit is also rich in flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which reverse the loss of bone. 7. Reduce the appearance of scars. Plums increase the blood circulation to the scar, helping development of new skin and reducing the appearance of the scar. It helps the skin to heal faster and replace damaged skin with new skin. It also reduces the appearance of dark spots, freckles, and treats other skin conditions. 8. Treats hair fall and promotes hair growth. It also promotes hair growth as it has high content of iron, and it improves blood circulation. Eat plums if you want to have thicker and stronger hair. 9. Improves immunity. Eating plums will keep cold and flu far away by improving your immunity. The fruit boosts your immunity and promotes development of healthy tissues. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends and family.